Honor Magic V2 just launched before few days. World's thinnest foldable phone, fast refresh rate OLED display, superb in design, flagship processor, huge battery and many more. Today I'm gonna show you unboxing and in-depth review of the Honor Magic V2. Hey guys, Mikey from techmaiky. Please consider subscribing, turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. The Honor Magic V2 is a folding screen mobile phone that has made a significant advancement in terms of thickness and weight. Unlike previous folding screen flagship devices, the Magic V2 boasts the impressive dimensions. When unfolded, the plain version measures 4.7 mm in thickness, while the folded state is controlled at 9.9 mm. Even the glass variant achieves a thickness of 4.8 mm when unfolded at 10.1 mm when folded. This means that the Magic V2 brings the flagship inner folding screen closer to the millimeter era, comparable to many straight screen flagship available on the market. In addition to its thinness, the Magic V2 is also remarkably lightweight. The glass variant weighs 237 grams, while the plain leather variant weighs only 231 grams. These weights are even lighter than the straight screen iPhone 14 Pro Max, which weighed 240 grams. Creating a thin folding screen mobile phone is a challenging task. Honor has addressed this challenge by incorporating two individually designed ultra-thin batteries and implementing a set of their own developed Kirin titanium ankles. The device utilized the zero gear structure, a suspended water drop structure and a titanium alloy hinge structure, making it the world's first folding screen phone to adopt this design. These features not only ensure the device's texture, strength and folding, but also effectively reduce the depth of the screen crease. The screen of the Honor Magic V2 is a standout feature, offering a dual screen experience both on the inside and the outside of the device. On the outside, there is a 6.43-inch OLED display with a resolution of 2376 by 1060 pixels, featuring a 20:9 aspect ratio. This provides a similar experience to using the traditional straight screen mobile phone. When unfolded, a large 7.92-inch OLED folding screen becomes visible with a resolution of 2344 by 2156 pixels. Both the inside and outside screen supports a 120Hz LTPO adaptive high refresh rate, ensuring a smooth visuals. Additionally, they achieve a high frequency PWM dimming synchronization of 3840 Hz, which helps reduce the flickering and eye strains. The screen also capable of the displaying 10.7 billion colors and cover 100% of DCI P3 white color gamut. To prioritize the eye protection, the Honor Magic V2 incorporates the Sleep Aid display and natural light-like eye protection. The Honor Magic V2 boasts top of the line performance. Despite being a folding screen device, it is equipped with the second generation Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 series processor, which is the leading version in its class. The processor is based on the TSMC's 4nm process and can reach maximum frequency of 3.36 GHz. Additionally, the Magic V2 supports the Honor's self-developed OS Turbo X CPU, which further enhances its overall performance. During testing with the game Honor of King, the Magic V2 demonstrated its strong performance. The game quality was set to very high frame rate with the super high resolution. Despite this demanding setting, the device showed impressive energy efficiency. After 1 hour of the drama streaming using the inner folding screen at the 50% of the brightness, only 5% of the battery was consumed. Similarly, playing the Honor of King for 30 minutes only consumed 10% of the batteries. This showcases the excellent performance and efficiency of the device in the folding screen phones. The Honor Magic V2 also supports the wired fast charging of up to 66 watts. It can charge for 1 to 100% in just 48 minutes and 15 minutes charge can restore the battery of 46%. The device battery capacity is 5000 mAh, ensuring a sufficient power supply for extended use. With its fast charging capability, the Honor Magic V2 eliminates the need to worry about the running out of battery when in a hurry. The Honor Magic V2 comes preloaded with its new Magic OS, featuring a simple, refreshing and smoother user interface. The system includes the newly designed notification bar and control center, enhancing the efficiency and practicality. Honor provides the various ways to play and optimize the user experience. It supports up and down split screen, left and right split screen, floating window, mini floating window, side shortcut bar and more, catering to different application requirements in the various scenarios. The Magic V2 also supports a parallel space, allowing users, particularly business professionals, to create a clear separation between work and personal life. Furthermore, based on the structural characteristics of the folding screen, the Magic V2 utilizes a set of Kirin zero gear hinge provide multi-angle smooth hovering. The software aspect complements these features by enabling unique functions. For instance, user can hover to take the pictures, and when the phone is in a landscape camera interface, the system automatically enters the hover shooting interface. The lower half of the screen becomes a preview screen, allowing user to capture the screen from low to high camera positions without needing additional phone holders. The Honor Magic V2 excels in terms of image performance with its well-equipped camera system. The device features a total of 5 lenses distributed across the front and back. The front camera includes a 16 megapixel wide-angle lens for selfies along with a 16 megapixel secondary screen wide-angle lens located in the upper right corner of the closed beta screen. On the rear, there is a combination of a 50 megapixel main lens, a 50 megapixel ultra wide-angle lens and 20 megapixel telephoto lens that supports up to 40x zoom. These hardware specifications are on the par with the current mainstream flagship phones. Ensuring high-quality photography. To showcase the image quality, here are some casual samples taken with the Honor Magic V2. These samples provide a glimpse of the device's excellent folding screen experience. Lastly, the price of the Honor Magic V2 base variant in China 8,999 Chini Yuan, that roughly 958 pound in UK and 1,254 US dollars. The Honor Magic V2 suppresses the expectation in its aspect, and it offers a balanced experience with its ultimate thickness and folding screen design. Holding the device feels comfortable and not cumbersome like a heavy brick. It can be considered the strongest folding screen phone available currently if you seek a balanced and exceptional thin folding screen mobile phone experience. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thought in the comment section below if you have any questions. Also give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, me signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.